Rusea High is represented by Tyreek Campbell, Ronika Robinson, Allison Trench, and Kiana Matheson. Calabar High is represented by Devontae Grant, Anando Bailey, Ronaldo Powell, and Dimitri Tariq Harris. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, welcome to the 13th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Calabar won and they decided to go first. So we begin with Calabar High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Calabar, we begin with literature. Who is the author of the novels The Wild Palms and The Sound and the Fury?
William Faulkner.
Correct. Rusea's literature. Who is the author of the novels Islands in the Stream and Green Hills of Africa?
Samuel Sullivan.
Incorrect. Ernest Hemingway. International affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Namibia.
Incorrect. Guinea. International affairs for Rusea. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Tunisia.
Incorrect. Lebanon. Jamaican heritage, Calabar. Nearba can beer fisi nearba flourish is a line from which Jamaican folk song?
Do it off.
Incorrect. Sammy Dead. Jamaican heritage Rusea. Ladies make curtsy and gentlemen make bow is a line from which Jamaican folk song?
Long time girl, me never see you.
Incorrect. Moonshine Tonight. Music for Calabar. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Dennis Brown.
Correct. Music. Rusea. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
You don't know me and you don't understand. You see me flashing.
Time has expired. Calabar, would you like to try?
Gregory Isaacs.
Gregory Isaacs.
That is correct. French for Calabar. What is the English translation for the question? Pouvons-nous parler?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Incorrect. Can we talk? Can we speak? French for Rusea. What is the English translation for the question? Sommez-nous des gelées. Sommez-nous des gelées.
Will you be here often?
No, are we there yet? Theatre and cinema for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify the actress.
Francis McDormand.
Incorrect. Annette Bening. And theatre and cinema for Rusea. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Eliza Broadway.
Incorrect. Kerry Mulligan. Calabar Art. The Marilyn Diptych is the name of a 1962 silk screen painting by which American pop artist?
Andy Warhol.
Andy Warhol.
Correct. Art for Rusea's Crying Girl is the name of 1963 and 1964 works by which American painter?
Bob Ross.
No, Roy Lichtenstein. And sports for Calabar, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Captain Brother. Martin Odegaard.
Martin Odegaard.
Correct. Sports for Rusea. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Tony Cruz.
Correct. Biology for Calabar. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores at this time, Rusea's high on 1, Calabar high on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.